Who is the main act in your life? Sino yung bida sa buhay mo? Today we celebrate the feast day of Saint Joseph, and today we reflect on Matthew chapter 1, verses 16 to 24. In the Gospels, we know that Saint Joseph is a carpenter, medyo low profile. But in this reading, in Matthew chapter 1, the angel addressed Saint Joseph as Joseph, son of David. David was once king of Israel. If Joseph is a son of David, therefore, Saint Joseph had royal blood in him. Saint Joseph is royalty. And Saint Joseph may have a claim to be king of Israel. And yet, Saint Joseph, as we read from the Gospels, in our mind was always at the background. Yeah, he provided for Jesus and Mary. He protected Jesus and Mary from harm. He traveled and went to the places where God told him to go. And after that, we didn't even read about Saint Joseph. Maybe didn't utter a word as written in the Gospels. And this is Saint Joseph. He stood at the background. Because for Saint Joseph, the main act of the Gospels is Jesus. The main act in his life is God, is Jesus Christ. Can we do the same in our lives? Huwag ikaw ang maging bida sa buhay mo. Ang maging bida, si Jesus sa buhay natin. That when people see you, they don't really see you, but they see Jesus. That when you say things, when you say words, people don't hear you, but they listen to Jesus. That when you act, that when you work, that when you walk, that when you do something, they don't see you, but they see Jesus alive, that they see Jesus in you. Allow Jesus to be the main act in your life. Allow His will and ways to happen in your life. Gawing bida si Jesus sa buhay mo. Be like Saint Joseph. Make Jesus the main act in your life. Amen.